am so excited because I've wanted an iPad for a long time, as I'm sure like everybody has. And I finally justified getting one because like, yeah, I'll use it for fun, but I'm gonna be using it for work too. And so I got it for myself. I invested in myself. But without further ado, I'm going to unbox it in front of you and then set it up and do a little what's on my iPad. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my attempt at a ASMR unboxing. So one thing you should know about me is that I'm cheap. Okay, not cheap, but like budget conscious. So the only thing that's actually Apple is the iPad. Everything else, not Apple, because they jack the price up, usually for no good reason. Like, I love Apple products, but they just are about 3 to 5 times more expensive than they need to be, at least. So for this pen, it is not an Apple pen, but it was like the next best thing. One thing that was different is that this isn't good if you like draw, do calligraphy, like stuff like that, because it doesn't have like the weighted where you can change just by how much pressure you put on it, change how you're writing. But I'm not an artist in that sense, so that's something I wouldn't have used at all. So I think that was one of the main differences, and I'm okay with that. I will try to link down the video of someone explaining that about this pen down below, and I will of course link everything that I got down below as well. And I think for some things, maybe the case I bought used like new on Amazon because I don't really care. It doesn't need to be brand new to me, so if I can ever do that, I do. And I think I did that with this, but I don't remember completely. Everything I will have linked down below. So this pen, it comes with an extra tip, which is really nice. I love the black part of it, like matte black, and it does do the, you know, stick on this magnetically, so it's great. I will say, with the iPad, they sent me a pink one. I ordered the Starlight. This is pink. I wanted like the beigey one, but it's fine. Even on the wrapping I ripped off, it said Starlight, but this is not Starlight. This is pink. So I got the wrong one, but I really don't care. I'm not waiting any longer for this. And besides, it's going to be covered most of the time, if not all the time anyways, so it's fine. And then this cover I got, I might get one that also is just the normal kind, but this one's a really good one. It seems pretty heavy duty, and it has a magnetic keyboard, which was a big deal to me. And it'll do a stand like this, and you can set it up perfect. I am very excited for that feature, and it comes off too, which is, it's just cool. Now, without further ado, let's set this bad boy up. I'm probably not going to show you me downloading all of the apps because that's just going to be annoying and take forever, and like me setting it up, but I will come back after. Okay, so it's been several hours since I started this whole process of customizing my iPad. So it's been a minute and it's not fully where I want it to be yet, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've got on the iPad. Let's go. Okay, so here we have it. The screen is already dirty with my fingerprints. That's just wonderful. So let's turn it on. And here's the background that I chose. I got this background from Pinterest. I am obsessed with it. It is so cute. Oh, I love it. But let's get into it. So on the home screen, it's a little boring right now. I do want to zhuzh it up some, but this is what I have so far. I have the Spotify widget, a Pinterest widget that kind of just shows like my home feed. So it's usually going to be some pretty aesthetic pictures popping up there. Then I have this little widget here from Flip Clock. Then I have the widget here that shows the battery life of Bluetooth connected devices. And then here's just my little calendar app, which I don't know if I'm going to want to get a different kind or not, but that's what it's at for now. And then down here, I downloaded an app, which I'll link everything I can down below, even if it's just the name of the thing, but that customizes the icons. This one I haven't customized yet. I can't just yet, but I spent a lot of time customizing the covers of these apps. But down here for now, I've got Canva, YouTube Studio, YouTube, and Notion. And then on the other screen, here's where it's just beautiful. And I think this aesthetic of the icons matches the background so well because of just like the white outlining, and I'm obsessed. But this, I did in alphabetical order. I'm probably going to play around with this a bit, but this is what it's at now. I've got Lightroom, Amazon, the App Store, Apple TV, Calendar, Camera, CapCut, which is what I edit my Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts on and stuff. Google Chrome, I like that way better than Safari. Clock, Etsy, Files, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Gmail. I use Google for a lot of stuff. I love the Google Docs and I love Google Sheets, which I don't know where that's at. Oh, it's down here. Sheets. Hulu, Flip Clock, Instagram, Like to Know It, Netflix, Notes, Photos, Pinterest, Reminders, Settings, Sheets, Shein, Spotify, and TikTok. And then on the next page, this is still up in the air. This is like a bunch of apps that I'm going to keep, but I don't use them all the time. This is Daily Theme is what I got this on, and I used a free version. There's a bunch out there, but I used the free one and I like it. Got some shopping apps here, some social media apps. That's just how I kind of categorize all of it. I haven't been able to customize these yet, which is why they're staying kind of hidden. Then some finance apps, and then just the Walmart app didn't fit on this screen. And that's all I have on the home screen. Now I want to show you my little keyboard. So turning it on. One thing I love about this keyboard is that it has a backlight. So you can turn it on and it can change colors. You can have it where it's changing colors constantly, like so. Or you can have it stay to one color and you pick the color. And I just think that's so fun, especially if you plan on using this like at night. That really helps. But I think it's just such a pretty thing. And then something else I set up, I actually finished setting it up, and then I'll show you something I like about Flip Clock. Check this out. So you can't have it pop up as like a screensaver because iPads don't do like a changing or like animated screensaver, however you want to say it, like this would do. But you can set it up to that whenever it's charging, it's pulled up. And what I love about that is I'll have it charging at night, and then one, it's not going to die keeping this screen up, but at night in bed I can see the time. That excites me. So that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is different than anything I've ever done before. If you want me to update you on what the iPad's gonna look like when I really have a lot of time to customize it, let me know. And if you want anything else like this, like if you want to find out what's on my iPhone or anything like that on my Mac, let me know. Anything like that, just let me know and I'll do it for you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, useful, entertaining, anything like that, be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. Thanks again so much for watching and have a wonderful day.